In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming leadership. The leaders who fear AI the most are the ones who get replaced first. AI is revolutionizing leadership, and the impact is undeniable. Leaders who are fluent in AI are advancing faster in their careers, while those who ignore AI are losing decision-making power. We've seen this before. Executives who ignored digital transformation were left behind. The same thing is happening with AI. Here's the reality. AI-fluent executives are being promoted faster. Those who ignore AI are losing decision-making power. You don't have to be a data scientist, but you do need to be AI-aware. The good news? Learning AI isn't about coding. It's about knowing the right questions to ask. And that's easier than you think. This isn't about replacing leaders. It's about redefining leadership for the AI era.